Hello, this is the Deitch family. My name is Erin. Alright, so here are a couple of family pictures that we have had in some recent years. We haven't gotten family pictures done in about 5 years, so I thought I would use the most recent, and I can show you who is who. This is my brother-in-law. He is married to my sister, who is right here, and she has 2 kids that are down here. This is my mom, this is me, and that's my dad. This is us at my graduation when I graduated in 2017, and these 2 pictures at the top, they are from Colorado. My sister and my brother-in-law currently live in Colorado because my brother-in-law is in the military. How my mom met my dad. My mom is full German. She was born in Germany, as were all of me and my siblings. My dad was in the Army for 22 and a half years, and when he was stationed over in Germany, he met my mom. So this is my mom and my dad. Here's a picture of him in his uniform when he came home from the last time in Iraq. We were picking him up at, I think it was KCI, Kansas City International Airport. Now, my brother and my sister, they are a lot older than me. They are 13 and 9 years older than me. I am the baby of the family, but I think that makes me a stronger person because I'm a more mature old soul because I saw what they went through when they were my age. These are my niece and my nephew. They are my minis, especially my niece. My niece looks just like me. She doesn't look like my sister, she looks like me. And then my nephew, he was born when I was in the 3rd grade, and so that's kind of where my love of children came to be from my nephew and seeing him when he was a baby and now he was being raised. I'm very, very close to my niece and my nephew because I have such a close relationship with my sister and my brother-in-law. And here is a funny video of my niece.
Sydney.
What?
You look hot.